This will be the third episode of my series on the top 7 to-dos before you file a bankruptcy. So you are considering filing either a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. I've already done a series on 7 things to not do if you're thinking about or getting ready to file a bankruptcy. And now I'm on item 3 in my series of the top 7 things that you should do, or at least consider, before you file either a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And item 3 is maybe you should consider opening your checking account at another bank. And that goes for savings too, if you have a savings. Actually, I would prefer, when we file the bankruptcy, I'd like to keep it as simple as possible. I'd rather just have you have one account, and just one account being a checking account. The reason why I want to keep it as simple as possible is that whatever bank accounts you have open on the day we file the bankruptcy case, we're going to have to provide statements for those accounts or for that account to the bankruptcy trustee. Let's say you have a checking account at a bank you've been doing business with for a long time, or a credit union you have been doing business with for a long time. That may not be a problem, but we should just take a look at it, because if you owe money to the credit union or to the bank, they have what's called a right of set-off. And the right of set-off means that even after you have filed a bankruptcy, even after the bankruptcy court has issued the order they issue when you file, which is what's called the automatic stay, and that's an order telling all the creditors they have to leave you alone. Even with the automatic stay in place, if you owe your bank or your credit union money at the time the bankruptcy case is filed, they have this right of set-off, which means that they can seize the money in your bank account and apply it toward what you owe. It's a bad idea to be banking with an institution that you owe money to when you file the bankruptcy. I like to have my clients close those accounts. A word about Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo has what I consider to be a nasty habit of freezing bank accounts when they find out that one of their customers has filed a bankruptcy. So you're a customer of Wells Fargo. Even if you don't owe any money to them, there's a serious danger that they will freeze the bank account when they find out that you filed a bankruptcy. What I almost always tell people to do is, if you've got an account at Wells Fargo, or if you have accounts at Wells Fargo, close them, get accounts set up, get your account set up somewhere else, and then we won't have the problem.